Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Here we are, Bagger Apes. Okay, the in thing at the moment. Also make your ride a lot more comfortable. Your wrist position's good, as you can see, a lot flatter. Okay, allows taller people to sit back more and look very cool. Okay, these particular ones, LA Choppers Twin Peaks. Okay, as you can see, these are 14s. They do up to 18. But as you can see, for a bagger, they have to clear the bat wing. Okay, so this particular set, obviously for a bat wing fairing, give you a decent pullback, normally 7 or 8 inch, depends, some are 9. And also, as you can see, we do the Burly cable kits, or we do LA chopper kits. Okay, cable kits come complete for each set of bars. This one here's got a new throttle cable, clutch cables, and obviously you've got wiring extensions, you've got your adjustable brake lines that will screw into this, gives you all 3, and if ever you were to change your bars again, you just change your top line, whereas most of them are crimped together, as you know. So if you're interested in any of these fantastic bagger bars, give us a bell, 01773835666. Got a new bagger website, custombaggers.co.uk, and also the old one, customcruisers.com, covers pretty well everything else, and a new one, customcruisers.eu, a lot of M8 Milwaukee 8 stuff on there. Okay, so if you're interested, give us a call and speak to Mike. All handlebars available. We do the Yaffe Bagger Nations, you know, you name it, we do it. Also available are custom bars. We can have them handmade in 1.5" diameter if you want, or inch, and also backlit switchgear, new master cylinders, chrome or black, and we also do the full range of performance machine brakes, hydraulic clutch conversions for baggers too. There's now also a brand new reverse kit available for baggers. If you're interested, give us a call, 01773835666, alternatively sales@customcruisers.com. Thank you.